Meaning of Iberian.
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 Iberian. Iberian refers to anything related to the Iberian Peninsula, which is located in southwestern Europe and includes the countries of Spain, Portugal, Andorra, and Gibraltar. The term comes from the ancient Iberian people who inhabited the peninsula during pre-Roman times. Today, the term is often used to refer to the cultural, linguistic, and historical similarities between Spain and Portugal. The Iberian Peninsula is known for its diverse landscapes, rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine, making it a popular destination for tourists from all over the world.